Hi everyone, welcome back to HubSpot Shortcuts. I'm Garo Aroian, and today we're talking about one of the most underrated features inside HubSpot, Playbooks. Now, if you've heard of Playbooks before, think of them as an interactive sales scripts that pop up right inside your CRM HubSpot. You can attach them to the contact and company or deal or even a ticket. They guide your reps to the right questions, make sure your data is collected consistently, and help standardize the entire process of your sales. No more improvising or forgetting to log important details into the CRM. With Playbooks, everyone plays the same game and follows the same rules. And in this video, I'll show you how Playbooks work, how to create the first one, and even walk you through a real-life example of a playbook in action. So let's jump into HubSpot and see what's happening right in there. First, you need to go to the CRM, click Playbooks, and then once you have it, you can have either a discovery call script based on different questions. It can be before the call, research your prospect, create an agenda, set up a time, and you can ask those questions. You can add additional questions, you can add videos, trainings, all of that right inside HubSpot. And then you can also update properties. So let's say if somebody says what kind of distributors they use, you can also update these properties and match them together. You can just save. And then once you save this, it will appear here. And once you publish it, it will now appear under each contact, under each deal, and you can use them. So whenever you open a deal, for example, or a contact that you want, the playbooks will appear on the right side here. You can click on it and then answer those questions. Let's say select distributor, the note that I asked for here. Another one could be improve rates, retain existing accounts. If I know what to do, what their job title is, of course I need to update that. I can do that right inside HubSpot. Then once I finish with all of it, I update it and log a call, and I will have everything ready to go. So that is how it works. These are the playbooks, and you can choose and make sure that everything is in there. The best part, you can link these questions directly to the properties in HubSpot. Whenever you go to the property itself, you can go in, make sure that you're updating specific properties that you needed. So let's say if I want to update a specific property within a contact, I want to update, let's say, the name of their status, I can update that, save it. And then whenever I have this question pop up, I can then ask them, go back, go to a contact, log it. And this is how it works. Pretty simple. You have your sales team knowing what they need to use, and playbooks work right inside HubSpot. Whenever you have them ready, you can say active status, answer the questions, log it, and then it will automatically update the property itself. You will see the logged note already as a note as well about the contact, what it happened. And of course, it also updated the property itself. So you can see right inside HubSpot, what are the properties that we did update. For example, the status that we have is automatically updated to status from the playbook discovery call script playbook itself. So this is pretty cool, and you can see and have all these automated for your sales team. And here's the real magic. Brand new sales rep who joins the team tomorrow can follow the exact process. They don't need to memorize everything. The playbook guides them through the conversation. Here are the biggest reasons to start using playbooks today. If you want to scale your team in a smart way, HubSpot playbooks are no-brainer. Start with just one, like a discovery call, and you'll notice the difference right away. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, turn on the notification to get your best HubSpot shortcuts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.